Hello guys. Hello po. Hi, The Great. Thank you for sending. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita. Taga-saan ka, The Great? Ay, thank you. Thanks for sending. Is that how you pronounce your name, The Great? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Taga-saan ka? Thank you so much again. Hello everyone. Kamusta po kayo? Thanks for following po. Thanks for following, guys. Thank you so much, The Great. Thank you for sending. Thank you so much. Tagsaan ka? Supporter ka lang ba dito? Or nag-live ka din? Hello po. Ngayon, wala kang pasok. Wala. Ay, online class lang. Right now. This one. Online class. Next week, face to face. Hello guys, please support my live. Hello po.